Deja vu is a phenomenon where our brain tricks us into thinking we've already lived a moment before. Research suggests that it might be caused by a misfire in the brain's memory systems, specifically in the temporal lobe. This misfire can occur when our brain overlaps two similar memories, creating a sense of familiarity. People with a history of seizures or head injuries are more prone to experiencing deja vu. Stress and fatigue can also play a role in triggering these episodes. Deja vu can be so intense that it leaves us questioning our own sanity. But what if this phenomenon is not just a glitch, but a window into the workings of our own minds, revealing the complexities of human perception and memory? For example, studies have shown that deja vu can occur in up to 70% of people, and it's more common in people who are tired or under stress. By understanding deja vu, we can gain insights into the fascinating flaws in our brain's design and how our memories are formed. Send this to someone who's experienced the strangest deja vu moment, and let's explore the science behind this phenomenon.